Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm doing a quick review, swatch, and tutorial on the Queen Matte Lip Kit by Kylie Cosmetics. Now this is available on their website and it retails for $29 and you get one pencil lip liner and one matte liquid lipstick. Now here's the packaging and you can find the ingredients, some tips, and other information on the back, and then we have the actual product, the front side, and the emblem and Kylie Cosmetics sign. And let's go ahead and start. This is the pencil lip liner. This is what it looks like when it's brand new. Usually my lip liners are all worn out and used because I love them so much. I love them so much that I'll use them alone. I'll buy them individually. I absolutely love Iced Latte, which I did line my lips with here before. I'm using this shade just because I love that it contours my lips and everything like that. But here is the Queen lip liner, and it's very smooth, it's very comfortable, it's very creamy. You can wear it alone, and in my opinion, it does match the actual shade, just a little tiny bit lighter. So if you're looking for a more natural look, I would just go with the lip pencil. And the shade Queen is described as a warm yellow nude, but in my opinion, it does match exactly to the picture on their online website, but it does have a little bit of like a muted coral tone to it, especially on my medium to tan olive skin. It's definitely warm. It looks like it has corals and browns and pinks in it. But moving on to the next step of the matte lip kit process, we're going to go ahead and talk about the new matte liquid lipstick in Queen. And here it is with the liner, and it matches. It's just a little bit more pigmented. And I also want to mention that this is their newer matte formula, which is way more comfortable than their older one, in my opinion, on my super extra dry lips. I remember using the matte formula and them reposting it, and people calling me desert lips, or do I live in the desert? It was hilarious, but yes, I have natural lips. Yes, they have a million lines in them, and I have super dry skin. So this matte formula, though, is amazing. It's comfortable, it's super pigmented. Sometimes you really do need that matte formula for your more bold looks if you don't want to go that natural, your more glamorous, fabulous looks. And also what's great about matte formulas is it's non-transferable. So sometimes you really need that. So I would suggest getting this shade and this new formula because it's very comfortable and it's very pigmented and it's very beautiful. And that was my video, guys. Here it is paired together on my skin, my face. Hope it helped you out in any way that it could, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Check out my other videos on my Kylie playlist, and I will see you guys all next time in my next one. Bye, guys.